How to send a Canva presentation in Gmail on Android. This tutorial shows you how to export your design and share it straight from your inbox. First, open your browser and go to Canva. Then open the presentation you want to send. From there, tap the Share button at the top right of your design. After that, tap Download. Following this, choose your file type. PDF is usually best for sending presentations. At this point, tap Download again to save it to your device. Give it a moment to process, especially if your presentation has a lot of slides. Once the file is saved, open the Gmail app. From here, tap Compose. Enter the recipient's email address. After this, tap the paperclip icon to attach a file. Tap Attach File, then select your downloaded Canva presentation. Finally, once it's attached, tap the Send icon at the top right. Keep in mind, large presentations with lots of images can take a bit longer to upload before sending. That's how you send a Canva presentation through Gmail on Android. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell so you don't miss the next one. Catch you in the next one.